we're going to talk about Chapter 6, sharing the road with trucks. These are the no zones. Left side, right side, front, and back. You as a beginning driver or any driver have to stay out of those zones. They're very dangerous. A truck cannot see you. If you can't be seen in the truck's mirrors, they can't see you. I can't tell you how many times when I've taught teens and adults that cars hang around in these blind spots. Don't hang around those blind spots. It is very scary to hang around those trucks because you don't know what they're going to do, but it's going to be more scary if you hang around those trucks and they come over and smash you between the guardrail. Let's talk about the next part. Trucks are always very interesting. Let's talk about this slow-moving sign. This will be on your D&B and knowledge test. This triangle that is orange and red, this is on slow-moving vehicles, farm vehicles. You as a beginning driver need to be careful and understand what those signs mean. Slow-moving vehicle, take your time, be patient, and eventually you'll be able to get out of their way. You'll see these in industrial areas, you see these in rural areas, and occasionally you see them in the city/country or rural areas where development has not been going on yet. Let's talk about pedestrians. Pedestrians are the most vulnerable. They always have the right of way. Yes, I know they walk out in front of you. They don't always follow the rules in terms of the crosswalk, but you as motorists, we as motorists have to yield to them. They always have the right of way. Hey, if you already done so, you need to subscribe to my channel. I do driving tutorials, D&B test prep. Let's go ahead and get it. Let's talk about children for a moment. Kids are vulnerable. They don't understand the dangers of a car. They think the grill is a big monster, that big chrome grill with headlights, so they may pause for a second, and then they run out. You as a driver always need to yield and look for children. If you're driving in neighborhoods, you've got to cover the brake, you've got to look left, middle, right, left, middle, right. You've got to scan, you have to be careful. Let's continue. Let's talk about motorcycles. Motorcycles are dangerous. They have a right to the whole lane. Stay out of their blind spots. If you can, give them at least 4 car lanes.